before we start, I introduce myself first. I'm Eliza Jean Castro from Betelad IE1 student. And today we're going to discuss and summarizing the previous topic from first week to 7th. And the first week topic is about introducing to ICT and its relevant society. These activities require students to create a blog and explaining their understanding of ICT or information and communication technology and its relevant society. And then the second week topic is about ICT hardware components, and this activity also involves creating a short blog maximum of 3 minutes and focusing on ICT hardware components. And then the third week topic is about ICT software types and application. In this also requires student to create a short blog explaining their understanding of ICT software types and applications. And then the fourth week topic about collaborative Google Docs to Miss Word conversions. In this activity involves creating demonstrations, the collaborative editing and conventions file conventions process using Google Docs and Microsoft Word. And then the fifth week topic is about Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. In these activities, create a demonstration video or blog showing the functionalities and create a PDF file. And then the sixth week topic is about Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slide. In this activity, creations a video or blog to comparing the picture of Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slide. And then the seventh week topic is about Miss Office versus Google Workplace. This activity, students must work in groups but submit individuals' output. This file likely demonstrates the student's understanding of the differences between Miss Office versus Google Workplace application. That's all. Thank you.